Hi, friends. Welcome back to Daily English Talk, the podcast where you learn real, natural English every single day. Today's topic is so important. So many of you have sent us messages saying the same thing.
What do they say?
They say, Lily, Tom, I understand everything you say, but when I try to speak English, nothing comes out.
Oh, yes, I know this feeling.
And today we have 8 powerful tips to help you unlock your English voice for real.
8 tips. Let's go.
And hey, if you are new here, welcome! We upload a new English lesson every single day. So hit that subscribe button right now. Don't miss anything.
Every day, we never stop.
Okay, before we start, I have to ask you something. Something about Tom.
Oh, no.
Get ready!
Okay, here is your question for today. Tom tried to speak English at a restaurant in London, and something very funny happened. Very embarrassing, too.
Oh, Lily, please.
The question is, what did Tom accidentally order at the restaurant?
Please don't tell them yet.
We will tell you the answer at the end of today's video, so stay with us. Keep watching.
It was a long day.
Okay. Let's go to our casual conversation first. So, Tom, this topic today, it's very personal for you, right?
Oh, yes. Very personal.
Tell the story.
Okay, so last year, I went to London with my friend.
Oh, yes, you told me about this trip.
It was my first real trip to an English-speaking country, and I was so nervous.
But you study English. You know English.
I know English in my head, but in my mouth, total silence.
In your mouth. I love that.
So we go to this restaurant, a nice restaurant. The waiter comes, he smiles, he says, "What would you like today, sir?"
Okay, and what happened?
I practiced my order for 20 minutes in the taxi. I said to myself, "Tom, you can do this. You know the words."
And?
The waiter asked me, and I completely froze. I could not speak. My brain said chicken sandwich, but my mouth said nothing.
Oh, no, Tom.
And then I panicked, and I just pointed at the menu, and I said the number. I said, "Number 7?
And what was number 7?
A large soup. 3 soups, the family-size soup for one person.
Tom, you ordered 3 soups?
The waiter looked at me. He said, "Sir, this is for 4 people." And I said, "Yes. Yes, I know. Thank you."
You said yes?
I didn't want to speak anymore. I just smiled. I ate 3 soups alone.
I'm crying. I'm actually crying right now.
I finished all 3 soups, by the way.
Of course you did. Of course you did.
But you know what? That moment taught me something. I understood the waiter perfectly, every single word. But speaking, that is a different skill.
Yes, and this is exactly what today's lesson is about. Understanding and speaking are 2 different things, and you can train your voice. You can unlock your voice.
And today, we tell you how.
Okay, before our 8 tips, let's talk about one very important grammar structure. We use this when we talk about habits and routines, things we do regularly.
What structure is this?
It's the simple present tense. We use it for actions we do every day, every week, or always.
And this is perfect for our lesson today because practice is a habit, and we want you to build good English habits.
The structure is simple. Subject plus verb. No extra words.
For example, I practice English every morning.
She listens to podcasts every day.
He orders 3 soups by accident.
Tom, okay. Yes, that is also simple present.
Very natural example. Very real.
Now for the negative, we add don't or doesn't.
I don't speak English at restaurants. Me, last year.
And for questions, we use do or does at the start.
Do you practice speaking every day?
That is the question we want you to answer after this video, because practice is everything. Okay, let's go to our 8 tips. Okay, 8 tips to unlock your English voice. Let's start.
Tip number 1.
Tip 1. Start small. Speak 1 sentence a day. Just 1.
Only 1 sentence?
Yes, many learners think, I need to have a full conversation, and that feels scary, so they don't start.
I understand this completely.
But 1 sentence? That is easy. Today is Monday. Done. You spoke English today.
That's it?
That is it. And tomorrow you say 2 sentences, and next week you say 5. Small steps make big progress.
I like this tip. I should have done this before London.
Yes, you should have.
Tip number 2. Talk to yourself in English.
Yes, this is my favorite tip.
Are you saying Lily talks to herself?
I talk to myself all the time. In English, when I cook, I say, now I am cutting the vegetables. When I walk, I say, I am going to the store.
Really?
Your bathroom mirror is your best English teacher. Stand in front of it, speak, describe your morning. I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I made coffee.
This actually works? I should try this.
It works because you are using English with 0 pressure. No one is judging you, just you in the mirror.
My mirror has heard some interesting things from me.
What do you say?
I practice my soup order every morning. I would like the chicken sandwich, please, not 3 soups.
I cannot stop laughing today. Tip 3, shadowing. This one is very powerful.
What is shadowing?
Shadowing means you listen to a native speaker and you repeat exactly what they say at the same time, like a shadow.
At the same time? While they speak?
Yes, you can use our videos. Press play and speak with us. Copy our rhythm, copy our sounds, copy our pronunciation.
Don't worry if it sounds strange at first. That is normal. Your mouth is learning new muscle movements.
Did you know speaking is physical? Your mouth, your tongue, your lips, they need to practice.
Like a sport.
Exactly like a sport. You don't run a marathon without training. You don't speak English without mouth training.
Mouth training. I love it. Tip number 4. Think in English.
This one is a game changer. Many learners think in their native language first, then they translate to English, then they speak.
Yes, that is exactly what I do.
But that process is very slow, and it feels unnatural. So the goal is to remove the translation step.
How?
Start with small thoughts. When you see a dog, don't think the word in your language, think dog. When you see rain, think rain. When you feel hungry, think I am hungry.
Just replace the words in your head.
Yes, and slowly, your brain starts to think in English naturally. Then speaking becomes much faster.
I practice this when I drive. I look at cars and I think red car, big truck, slow driver.
Slow driver. Very useful English phrase.
Very useful in real life.
Tip 5, record your voice. This one is scary for many people.
Oh, I hate listening to my own voice.
Everyone hates it, but it is so helpful.
Why?
Because you can hear your mistakes. You can hear your pronunciation. You can hear when you speak too fast or too slow.
And then you can fix it.
Yes. Record yourself saying 5 sentences. Listen back. What do you notice? Then record again. Compare.
I started doing this 3 months ago. My pronunciation changed so much.
Really?
Really? I was shocked. In a good way. Mostly.
Mostly.
Some recordings were very bad. Very, very bad.
But that is how you learn. Don't be afraid of a bad recording. A bad recording today means a good recording next month.
Tip 6. Find a speaking partner.
This is so important. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with someone is better.
Where do you find a speaking partner?
Language exchange apps, online communities, English learner groups, even right here in our comments section. So many daily English Talk subscribers want to practice.
Leave a comment today. Say, I want a speaking partner. You might find someone today.
Your speaking partner doesn't need to be a native speaker. Another English learner is perfect. You both practice, you both grow.
It's less scary when you know the other person is also learning.
Aw, yes, you support each other. It's beautiful.
Lily is getting emotional.
I just love English learning communities. They are so warm. Tip 7. Learn phrases, not just single words.
What is the difference?
Many learners study vocabulary lists. Apple, banana, computer, one word at a time.
Yes, I did this.
But in real conversation, we don't say single words. We say phrases. I'd like an apple, please. Can I borrow your computer? Let me think about that.
So learn the whole phrase.
Yes, learn chunks of language. How are you doing? Not just how and are and you, the full phrase.
These phrases come out automatically. You don't need to think. You just say them.
Like a reflex, and reflexes are fast. That's why your speech becomes more natural.
I wish I had a reflex for I would like the chicken sandwich in London.
Next time, Tom. Next time.
Next time, I am ready.
Tip 8, our last tip, and maybe the most important one.
What is it?
Be okay with mistakes.
Oh.
So many people don't speak because they are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh?
I felt this in London. I didn't want to be embarrassed.
Oh, and that fear kept you silent, right?
Yes, completely silent.
But here is the truth. Every single English speaker made mistakes. Every single one. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Mistakes are not the problem. Silence is the problem.
Yes! A mistake means you tried, and trying is how you learn. Every mistake is a lesson.
Even the 3 soups.
Especially the 3 soups. Look at you now. You are teaching thousands of people because of that story.
That is true. 3 soups changed my life.
3 soups changed your life. I love this channel. Okay, shadowing time. Repeat after us. We say it slowly, then together.
Ready? Let's go.
Practice.
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 Your turn. Practice.
Shadow.
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 Say it. Shadow.
Confidence.
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 Confidence. Say it loud.
I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Say it with us. I practice English every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Say it and mean it. I am not afraid of mistakes.
My English voice is getting stronger every day.
My English voice is getting stronger every day.
My English voice is getting stronger every day.
One more time. My English voice is getting stronger every day. Yes, that's right.
Beautiful. I can feel your voices through the screen. If you want a speaking partner, write speaking partner in the comments. Let's connect this community.
Yes, let's build something amazing together down there.
That is it for today's lesson. 8 tips to unlock your English voice.
Remember, understanding English and speaking English are 2 different skills, and you can train both.
Start today. Say 1 sentence out loud right now. Just 1. You can do it.
And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe right now. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day. Every single day.
We are here for your English journey, every step of the way.
Thank you for watching, for learning, and for being part of this family.
Keep speaking, keep growing, and we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.